To start off, you're going to make a slip knot. Like that. Then slightly tighten it on your hook. Then we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. Using single crochets, we're going to skip one chain, go in the second chain, and make one single crochet. Repeat this until you meet the last chain. Just like that. Chain 1 and turn your hook. It should look something like this. Then repeat the process. In the stitches, make single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just like that. Then you're going to chain 1. Take your scissors and cut just a little. Pull it up. Tighten it. Again with the other side with the tail, tighten it. And that is your one sample. From here you could either cut off the ends or you can knot it to make sure it's secure. So I'm just going to take the ends, knot them up, pull it down, tighten it, just like that. Do it on the other side too. Tighten it up. Then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut kind of close to the knot, but also not on the knot, so make sure you're not cutting the knot. Throw these away. Straighten out your sample. And there you go. That's how you can make your own crochet sample.